Whitewing and her brother have managed to survive their first month. They might look fully grown, but they're at the equivalent stage of a toddler.
Never seen the cat so interested in the television before. Stormy, you go get those birds? Stormy.
Nobody's really studied the acquisition or the learning
Stormy.
process at this initial stage on the nest. It's got to be phenomenal. They're encountering all sorts of things at that time. New foods, new dangers. They're learning all about their world in a very short, hectic time when they are not very coordinated, so they're also learning how to hold themselves and move.
It's like Food Network for cats. Oh, PBS is good for everyone. Stormy. Stormy. Get it, get it. He's like, no, Mama, I learn it. I learned their behaviors.